Hey guys, and welcome back to EQ Planes, and today I'll be doing another unboxing video. Here we have the Swoop 737-800. I got this from my hobby house in Malaysia. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it. So I had the chance to get a Swoop earlier on, its first release, but I didn't get it because I was trying to spend less money at the time. And yeah, so to get this from Malaysia, yeah, that was fairly interesting, and glad I got this one. Looking to get an Air Canada A321 Rouge, Air Canada Rouge A321, and a JC Wings Air Transat A321 Neo. So yeah, without further ado, here's our model. Looks very nice, of course. NG737 mold is quite nice. Same with the colors. Colors look spot on. I believe this is the city of Hamilton. If you look closer into there, right there, you have the Swoop logo down here. But yeah, this is gonna be really good for some like Kelowna airport updates. You got CG, Charlie Golf Delta, Mike, and then Papa. I believe that's our registration. Not sure if that's damage I'm seeing. Oh no, that's just some dust. Yeah. I've noticed on my in-flight 200 Air Canada DC-10, a bit dusty too, so we got the planes from my hobby house, so maybe they're sitting out, I don't know, but yeah, good planes, good store, and thank you guys for watching, and hope to see you guys back next time.